have a spreadsheet. You can use the spreadsheet to do calculations. We're going to put our answer in here. It will automatically do that for you. You can move the shape around if you can drag these vertices and stretch it any which way you want. It's useful if your numbers are being hidden by other numbers. To find the tree of maximum value, I'm going to go to my arc tool, click on the arc with the largest weight. The weights are inside these little circles. 9, and I got another 9 here and another 9. I have 3 9s. After the 9s, I've got some 5s. This 5 is good, and this 5 is all right. I have some 3s. I can do this 3 or this 3. I just can't do both. If I do this 3, it's good. If I do this 3, I would end up with an that looks like this. G to C to F, and then back to G, which is a circuit. We can't have a circuit. This is our tree of maximum value, and then we press enter to see if we're right. Here we have 2 numbers on top of each other. I'm just going to go to my vertex tool and move this B around a little bit like that. Back to the arc tool. I'm starting with the arc that has the highest weight, which is the 11. We don't have any other 11s. I have a 10 and then a 9. After the 9, after that we have a 4. After the 4, I've got this 3, but I can't use this 3. If I use this 3, we end up with a circuit that went from E to B to D and back to E. We can't have a circuit. This 3 is out. I have a 2, and this 2 is good. It's going to connect this CF to the rest of the tree. Then I have this 1, but this 1 is out because we would get a circuit that looks like from C to D to B, and then up to F, and then down to C, completing the circuit. We can't have a circuit, so that is out. This 1 is also out. If we went E to D, then to F, to B, we have a very long circuit, F to D, then back to E to complete the circuit. This 1 is out as well. This is our tree diagram, and this is our tree of maximum value. It has a weight of 36. Press enter to see if we're right. Find the tree of maximum value. I'm going to start with the 12 is my maximum. Here, I'm going to move these around a little bit. Got some writing on top of writing. Pull that back a little bit. Make sure none of your weights are on top of other weights, none of your lines are on top of other lines, and everything should be good. Bring this back a little bit more just to get the 12. I'm going to start with 12. Do I have any other 12s? Oh, you can also move these things around. Like I'm right on top of my diagram here, so I can move this. No 11s. I've got some 10s. I have a 10 here and a 10 here. I'm not making any circuits yet. After the 10, the next is, do I have any 9s? No 9s, no 8s. I've got a 7 here. I've got a 6 here. I can't use this 6. If I did use it, I would end up with a circuit that went from G to B to D, back up to G. That's a circuit. We can't have a circuit. That's out. A little X on 6 to tell myself that I've already looked at this 6. After the 6, I don't have any other 6s. I've got some 5s. This 5 is totally fine. This 5 would make a circuit. Could use one, but not both of those 5s. This 5 is out. If I did that 5, this is the circuit we would get. F to G, down to D to B, and up to H, over to F to complete the circuit. And we can't have a circuit, we can't have that. That 5 is out. We have another 5 here, and this one is good. I have another 5 here, which is also good. This 5 down here, which we can't use, because it would give us a circuit from B to F, from F to H, from H to B, completing the circuit. We can't have that. That 5 is also out. No other 5s. I've got a 4, which I can't use because I would get a circuit that looks H to D to B, from B to H, completing our circuit. We can't have that. That 4 is out. This 4, which also completes a circuit. A to H to B, from B to D, from D back to A, completing our circuit. Can't have a circuit, we can't have that. We've got this 3, we do have a circuit. If we went from A to F, from F to H, from H to B, B to D, back to A to complete our circuit. There's our circuit. We can't have that. This 3 is out. Any other 3s? No. Any other 2s? No. We've got some 1s. This 1 I'm gonna go from C to F, from F to H, from H to B, from B to D, from D to G, completing our circuit. We can't use that one. This one we cannot use. From D to B, from B to H, from H to F, from F to C, from C to E, completing our circuit. We can't do that. That one is right out. That is it. We've looked at every possible arc that we can use, and these are the ones that we can use. This is our tree of maximum value. It has a weight of 54. And then we press enter to see if we're right. And that is it for level 20. Have a good day.